Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KSRP1241D XPS. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need an adjustable wrench, 10mm Allen wrench, needle nose pliers, and diverter KSRP1241D. Next, make sure to shut off both water supply lines. From below the sink, carefully loosen and disconnect all supply lines from the T-valve. Followed by the sprayer supply line. Remove T-valves from spout by turning counterclockwise. Loosen diverter with 10mm Allen wrench and remove with needle nose pliers. Insert new diverter and secure by rotating in a clockwise direction. Thread T-valves back onto spout. Apply Teflon tape on all 3 ports of T-valve. Re-thread all supply lines back onto the T-valves. Followed by the sprayer supply lines. Next, secure all supply line by tightening with adjustable wrench. Before we finish, make sure to turn water supply back on and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the diverter replacements.